according to me more important for the board exam. So I want to explain this in a better way. Here is given left hand side is equal to right hand side. I have to take a left hand side and going to prove right hand side. Otherwise take right hand side and prove left hand side. First of all we have to write left hand side. Left hand side means whatever is given in left side we have to copy as it is whatever is given. Sine of theta upon 1 minus cos of theta. Whenever you will find like this, in denominator like this, we have to multiply numerator as well as denominator with the conjugate sign. It means whatever is given in denominator, we have to take numerator and denominator in multiplication form, but change in this middle sign. See here, is equal to sine of theta upon 1 minus cos of theta. Copy this as it is and write here multiply sign and write here 1 plus cos of theta upon 1 plus cos of theta. Write numerator as well as denominator same thing, because if you will not do like this then our question will be disbalanced. Our question should be balanced, therefore we have to do same thing, numerator as well as denominator. The next step will be right like this. Here you see a square minus b square formula is going to create here. We have to use formula a square minus b square. We are able to apply here because in this question the formula is going to exist. Then see here, sine of theta multiply 1 plus cos of theta. What happened here? Numerator will multiply with the numerator. After writing this, if anything is written in outside of bracket, it means whatever is outside of bracket, that will be one time multiply with this and one time will with this. It means first of all whichever question we are going to solve, first of all we have to break the bracket, and here in denominator we will apply a square minus b square formula, which is like this: 1 of square minus cos of square theta. I did not written here 1 square because the 1 square will be 1 and 1 will be also 1. It means square as well as not square as well as cube. Whatever you will do of 1 cube, 1 square, 1 whatever, the same thing will come. Therefore I did not written here square form. And see here, sine theta and cos theta, this will multiply. Don't do multiply, because if you will multiply, this will be some difficult for you for solving. And see here what will be sine theta, sine of theta in bracket 1 plus cos of theta, right, as it is. And see here, before previous lecture I did explain you one formula: sine of square theta plus cos of square theta is equal to 1. It means here is given 1 minus cos square theta. It means if sine square theta anywhere is written and cos square theta is written anywhere, then we are able to write 1 minus cos square theta anywhere is written, at that place we are able to write sine square theta. Why we are able to write sine square theta? Because according to whatever we are going to prove, we are going to prove cosec theta plus cot theta. We are frankly with this, if we are going to solve, we are going to find cosec theta, it means in denominator we have necessary of sine theta, and we are going to prove also cot theta, we have also necessary of their sine theta upon cos theta upon sine theta. It means in denominator we have to find sine theta, and here is what is given: 1 minus cos square theta. we don't have necessary of cos square theta in denominator. We have to necessary to find sin square theta or sin theta in denominator. Why? Because our target is cosec theta and cot theta, and cot theta and cosec theta is saying us if we want to solve them, we have necessary to find in denominator sin theta as well as sin square theta, but we have no necessary, we don't have necessary to find 1 minus cos square theta because of cosec theta plus cot theta. We have to find here sin square theta. This is given in sin square theta, then we are able to write here sin square theta. This is not from my home, this is from the formula. The formula is given here, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. It means wherever is written 1 minus cos square theta, we are able to write there sin square theta. And next step, what will be? Here is sin theta, here is sin square theta. It means here is 2 sin and here is 1 sin. The 1 sin will cancel from 1 sin and 1 sin will be remain in denominator, not numerator. In numerator sign is cancelled, but denominator sign has remain 1 sign here. Our next step will be like this: 1 plus cos of theta upon sin of theta. Sin theta has not come from my home. We have solved our last step. Last step sin has cancelled from sin, but here was 2 sin, 1 sin has remained there. Therefore write here sin theta. And 1 plus cos theta is property of sin theta. Then one time write 1 upon sin of theta plus cos theta upon sin of theta. Cos theta one time will sin theta and 1 will come one time sin theta. Therefore 1 upon sin theta will be cosec theta, and plus cos theta upon sin theta, it means cot of theta is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now did you understand why I did taken here sin square theta? Here was 1 minus cos square theta, but I did taken here sin square theta because I have to prove cosec theta plus cot theta, and you as or anyone going to prove cosec theta plus cot theta. Then in denominator we have necessary of sin theta. This is the formula and this is the rule to solve this trigonometry. Then I did also apply in this. It's okay. This question is completed.